Good day, Beckett students. So I am your reporter for today, and I'm going to discuss the measures of variability. So first, let us have our learning objectives. So here are the learning objectives for today. We're going to describe and explain, after my discussion, the importance of measures of variability. And next, we will going to identify the given statistical terms, which are the range, interquartile deviation or range, standard deviation, and the variance, and their appropriate uses. And lastly, we're going to calculate the ungroup data using measures of variabilities. So later, makikita natin kung paano i-compute yung mga statistical terms like range, standard, and true. So next, let us define what is measures of variability. So in statistics, measures of variability describe how scores in a given dataset differ from one another. So my example dito is the spread or clustering the points. Next, it refers to the spread of values about the mean. So, ang measure of variability, ito yung tool para makita natin kung dikit-dikit ba yung mga scores or pack ba sila or nakaspread sila sa isang data. So, ang first measures of variability natin is the range. So, range R stands for range. So, range is the difference between the highest value and the smallest value in a set. So, ang formula ng range is R is equal to H minus L, high value and low value. Excuse me. So, for example, I have here some ungroup data set. Find the range of the given set data. These are minutes, for example. 200, 45, 75, 89, 37, 156, 157, and 69. So, the highest value here is the 200 and the lowest value is 37. So, earlier nakita natin yung formula. R is equal to H minus L. So, 200 is our highest value and 37 is our lowest value. So, we were just going to subtract it. So, the answer, the range will be 163. So, the range of the data is 163 minutes. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, this is the simplest way para makita na natin yung highest and lowest value. So, next, we have the interquartile range. So, in interquartile range is the third quartile minus the first quartile. So ito yung, this give us the range of the middle half of a dataset. So, makikita natin dito kung paano ba siya i-compute. So, for example, to find the interquartile range of your 8 data points, you first find the values of quartile 1 and quartile 3. So, multiply the number of values in the data set. Yung sa akin, yung kanina, 8 set yon by 0.25 for the 25th percentile or quarter 1 and by 0.75 for the 75th percentile or quarter 3. So, here. So, if we divide it to 0.20, times 8, rather, to 0.25 times 8 is equals to 2. And if we divide it to, if we times it to 0.75 times 8, it equals to 6. So the quartile 1 is the value in the second position, which is 45. So yung quartile 3 naman is the value of the sixth position, which is 156. So given sa data, which is 156 minus 45 is equal to 11. So ito siya. So the interquartile range is 111. So ang ginawa dito is yung second position here and sixth position, sinubtract lang sila para makita natin yung interquartile range. So ganun lang siya kadali. Next, we have the third measures of variability. We have the standard variation. So in standard variation, there are 6 steps for finding the standard deviation by hand. So first, we're going to list each score and find their mean. Next, subtract the mean from each score to get the deviation from the mean. So third, square each of these deviations. Fourth, add up all the square deviations. Or fifth, divide the sum of the square deviation by n minus 1 for a sample or n for a population, big N for a population. And the last one is Find the square root of the number you found. Where na tayo here? So, here is the example. So, these are the step 1. This is the given data. The data that I gave you, that I showed you earlier. So, we have 8. So, we're going to list them and add that. And of course, we're going to get the mean. So, how do we get the mean? I-add natin lahat, then divide it by 8 kung ilan yung given data set. Total of data set, yon. So, nung na-add na siya lahat, ang nakuhang mean is 103.5. I added these numbers, then divided by 8. So, I got 103.5. So, the next step is, I'm going to, the next step, I'm going to subtract the mean from each other to get the deviation. So, 200 here, 200 minus 103.5 is equal to 96.5. So, kagaya lang ng iba, ganito din siya. Then, I'm gonna add all this. We have 74. So, here, the third step. So, sa pagkuha ng third step, i-squared lang natin yung nakuha natin dito sa step 2. Kunyari, ito sa 200 minus 100.5 equal to 96.5. We are going to just square it. 96.5 squared, or 96.5 times 96.5. That would be it. So, after natin makuha lahat ng squared nila, squared nitong data sets, we're going to sum the squares. So, kapag na-sum na, ito yung nakuha natin. 24,428 or 24428. And last, the step 5. So, for the sample, here is the formula for sample. We use small case letter n because sample lang siya, hindi siya population. So, n minus 1. So, n is equals to 1 equals to 7. Diba 8 yung natin, data set. 8 minus 1 is 7 na siya. Sorry, hindi ko nalagay. So, yung kanina, yung total number of square natin, divided by 7, we will get 3489.71. So, kanina sabi ko na yung sample, gagamitin lang natin na yung smaller n kapag sample lang yung kinuha natin. Yun na. And the last step, which is, i-square lang natin yung nakuha nating nakuha nating number, which is 3489.71 versus going to square that, na makukuha natin is 59.07. So, ganun yung pagkuha ng ating interquartile, the standard deviation. So, last, we have the variance. So, in variance, the variance is the average of squared deviation from the mean. A deviation from the mean is how far a score lies from the mean. So, to get the variance, square the standard deviation. So, to get the variance, i-square lang natin yung standard deviation natin. So, yung nakuha natin is 59.07. If we're going to square it, 59 times 59.07 times 59.07, makukuha natin is 3489.26. So, that would be our variance. So, yun lang yung pag-measure ng ating measures of variability. That would be all. Thank you. So, here is the reference. Thank you so much, Beckett students. Goodbye.